I'm Belle Hughes, and I'm a very affectionate person. I love hugs. Like, love hugs. And if you're like me, you might like hugs too. But due to COVID-19, the only hugs you can do are from 6 feet apart. You might be asking yourself, how is that possible? How is it possible to be affectionate during COVID-19? Well, ask no more, because I have some tricks. This is my very good friend Stormtrooper. And although we might used to like to hug, we cannot anymore. So here are some ways you can be affectionate during COVID-19. You could do the air hug. You could do the butterfly high five if you're into high fives. You could blow a kiss. I'm blushing. And lastly, you could write an affection. So I hope this video show you some ways to be affectionate during COVID-19, if you were curious. But don't forget, stay 6 feet apart and wash those hands. Don't spread germs. Here's an air hug.
Hey guys, it's Camry, and today I'm going to be teaching you the right and wrong way to wash your hands during quarantine. So this is an example of how not to wash your hands. Did you notice something? I hope you did, but if you didn't, I didn't use soap. You have to use soap. This is another example of how not to wash your hands. Rinsing your hands like this, even if you use soap, is not washing your hands. There's still germs, and the soap did not touch every part of your hand. Alright, so in this demonstration, I'm going to use paint to act as soap. This will show you how you need to apply the soap to ensure that all parts of your hands are being cleaned. And as you can see, my hands and my wrists are completely covered in purple. And one last time to show you the full process. Lather the soap on your hands, ensuring to get every part that you can, including your wrists. And then take a towel or a paper towel if you have access to them in this madness and dry your hands off. And that is the proper way to wash your hands. Be safe. Bye!
Bless you. And stay back 6 feet. And now I'm safe.
Hi! So if you're like me, you're probably pretty bored on quarantine. But I have found ways to entertain myself, including ways to entertain myself while practicing social distancing. I mean, if you're bored, just go outside and go to the market or something. That was a trick. You shouldn't be going outside that much. Staying home is good. Maybe you should just go to the park. That was also a trick. Try not to go to those places. Stay home. Practice social distancing. That's how we slow the spread. Maybe you could do a puzzle.
Aw, this is so many pieces!
That was not a trick. Puzzles are fun. No, they're not fun. But, you know, puzzles don't get you sick. Maybe you could play the bongos.
I play bongos.
It's also good. Learning how to play an instrument. Good. See, what else could we do? Wash your hands. Washing hands is fun. Yes, it's always fun. But yeah, there's plenty of ways to practice social distancing and still have fun at the same time. There's ways. You'll find them. I'm sure of it.
Welcome to my bathroom. I'm going to teach you on how to wash your hands properly. So you may be asking me, why do I need to know this? Well, you need to know this because it's Corona season. You need to wash your hands and get rid of all the germs. No Corona for us. That's what you need to say. Start off by looking at yourself in the mirror and telling yourself you can do this. Next, you want to look at your faucet, turn it to warm. Warm kills the germs. Next, you can use your average paper towel or some real towels. After you throw that away, you've successfully washed your hands. Do your part, stay home, keep your hands clean, and have a good Coronication.